welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing day and I got my October teacher care crate in the mail, so I'm super excited. So Mochi was missing for 4 days and it really put a halt to everything I was doing. So thankfully she came home safe. I was so worried. We're gonna go to the vet on Friday to see if everything's a-okay. I realized my sweater matches my little wooden backdrop a little, so if you see a floating head, it's perfect for October. So if you haven't seen my last video, the boxes run about $27.99 a month, and you can do kind of a 3-month prepay, or you can just get the month-to-month boxes, which is what I get for $27.99 a month. And it's just a perfect way for teachers to exercise self-care and do a little something special for themselves. So I am just gonna go straight into it because I was thinking about this box all day at school and I really just wanted to open it. The last box I struggled with the tape, but this one opened perfectly. So let's see what's inside. Oh. So each box has a theme. So this theme is, it's fall. So I was really good and I didn't look at any sneak peeks, so I'm really excited to see what's in this box. So it always comes with this little card and it says, "It's fall, y'all." This month's teacher care crate is all about practicing self-care while celebrating fall. So let's dive right in. I'm just going to start with the first item. So first we have this little art print that says, "Seasons change and so do we." Tiffany from Tiff in the Middle designed this card. This is perfect if you just want to hang it up in your room or in your classroom, or you can even frame it and have this little reminder. If you haven't heard of Tiff in the Middle, she makes these really cute stickers and she is really talented. So I'm really excited to have an art piece designed by her. So I'm going to put this in my room or in my classroom. I am not sure yet. But let's move on. So next we have this Teachers Love Fall activity book. Ooh. Ooh. It's pretty much this fall activity booklet. So there's a lot of coloring pages, activities that you can just fill out. So it's something that you can just sip your coffee or your tea, go to Starbucks and just fill this out to just relax and open your mind. I think I'm going to take this on the weekend and just relax and fill out my fall activity book. So the next item in the box is this. So we have a protein bar and I have never tried a protein bar. And it's a pumpkin spice flavor, so it's perfect for fall. Might as well try this now because I have not eaten yet, which is not good for my teacher self-care. But it has 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no, ooh. Oh my gosh, it's really sticky. So taking a bite out of this during a video was not the best idea because it was really sticky and it just got stuck on all my teeth. Like, this guy held on. He was not letting go. Anyway, I will put this to the side, and I like the taste of the pumpkin, but I wasn't too big of a fan on this, but my sister loves pumpkin, so I will ask her if she wants to give it a try. So I'll put that to the side. So the next item in the box is this, ooh, a Dead Sea mud mask. I can't try this on the spot. I think this is something you can try in the shower, but it seems really interesting. So I don't think it's a face mask where you just put on your face, but it's just the actual product is in here, so I think you just get it and put on your face. So the next item in the box is this. So it says, "You are enough." Let's see what this is. "You are enough." Is it a mirror? Ooh. Ah! It's a little mirror you can take on the go that just says, "You are enough." I mean, this is perfect for me to check if I have any pumpkin in my teeth. So here is that little mirror. So it's super handy to take with you when you travel, or if you're teaching and you need to just check to see if anything's in your teeth, or you're going to a meeting and you need to double check if everything's in place. This is perfect to just put in your teacher bag and head on your way. All right, so the next item in the box are these, ooh, I love hairpins. So let's say your hair's in your face, you can just, bam. Came with 2. I wonder if you can see it. Was it supposed to come with two? That's so nice. Don't forget to try out your tortoise shell barrettes for a stylish addition to any hairstyle. Oh, yeah, so these are super cute, and while you're teaching, it just puts your hair out of the way, and you're set to go. I think there's one more thing in the box, and it's, oh wait, no, there's two. So the first one, I think it's a scarf. Let me read what it says. Your plaid infinity scarf is perfect for all of your fall outings, from visiting a pumpkin patch to fall field trips. Cute! I think it'll just go with my sweater. So I think even if you just have a white shirt, you can just pop this on and call it a day. I think you can make it circle twice, or you can just have it hang. All right, so I think there was one more item in the box, and it was this pumpkin spice body butter. Oh, I don't know if it smells like pumpkin. It smells like vanilla. Oh, so it's really oily, which is good because my hands around winter, it gets really red and dry. So I would probably use it just for the back of my hands. I don't think if I put it anywhere else, I would just feel really greased. All right, everyone, I think that is it. Did I get through everything? So this month's box had, I just realized this month didn't have the little cardboard fluffy things. Maybe because of the scarf, it was too much. So we had one item, the scarf. This can be the bed for all of the items. We had 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if the barrettes count as 4, 5, or just 4. Let's just say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think that was it. So my favorite item from this month's box is definitely the scarf, and I really like the little barrettes. Those are super cute. Other than that, thank you so much for watching another unboxing. Definitely subscribe or check out Teacher Care Crate on Instagram or on their website. I'll link it down below. If you like these unboxings and if you'd like me to continue November's, please give it a like, comment down below your favorite item, and subscribe for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!